Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. Well, are you excited on the premium device, S22 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has shaped up to be everything that leaks, hints, and speculation indicated it would be, a Samsung Galaxy Note, minus the Note branding. It offers a 6.8-inch screen, a built-in S Pen stylus, a boatload of cameras, a $1,199 price tag, and a boxy shape straight from the Galaxy Note series. In addition to the stylus silo, the S22 Ultra gains some incremental camera upgrades for low light and portrait photography, faster wired charging adapter sold separately, of course, and all the latest components you'd expect to find on a 2022 flagship. And it's altogether a device that looks worthy of that flagship title, at least as far as Samsung's non-folding phones are concerned. Aside from the stylus and a slight design shift, the S22 Ultra is an evolutionary update to the S21 Ultra. Naturally, it replaces last year's top-shelf Qualcomm chip with the newest version, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US, and other parts of the world may have a 4nm Exynos chipset. Its 6.8-inch OLED still features a 120Hz variable refresh rate, but it can reach an even higher 1750 nit peak brightness if you are in direct sunlight. Other spec upgrades include Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back panels, boosted 45W fast wired charging wireless remains 15W, and a variant with a massive 1TB storage capacity. There's a 5000 mAh battery, 5G and Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E, and IP68 weather resistance. Samsung's software support policy is also getting a little better with the S22 generation. It's promising at least 4 generations of Android OS updates, which is one better than the 3 OS updates it previously guaranteed for S-series devices, and matches its current 4-year policy for security updates. The S22 Ultra also supports S Pen Air actions, like flipping through your photo gallery or controlling the phone's camera remotely, without touching the screen. Camera specs on the S22 Ultra are similar to its predecessor. You're still getting a 108-megapixel main camera, 3x and 10x telephoto cameras, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 40-megapixel selfie camera. Instead, improvements are largely focused around low-light photo and video capabilities. It's now possible to take night mode portraits, and users can capture high-resolution night mode shots. Previously, you could either take a high-res or a night mode shot, not both at once. On the Ultra, the result is a 108-megapixel image that incorporates the added light-gathering benefits of pixel binning technology. On the S22 and S22 Plus, you get a 50-megapixel image. Expert RAW, an app that Samsung made available for the S21 Ultra late last year in beta, is making its full debut on the S22 series. It can be used across all of the S22 Ultra's rear cameras and allows for capture of computational RAW images, combining the benefits of multi-frame capture with the post-processing flexibility of RAW shooting. It also provides access to manual exposure controls like ISO and shutter speed. Fans of non-folding stylus phones can pre-order the S22 Ultra at Samsung website starting yesterday in Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, or a new burgundy color. The device goes on sale February 25th in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB variants. The 128GB model has 8GB of RAM, all others include 12GB. So that is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.